Thank you guys very much for coming to this video. In this video, I am going to be completely redoing my home office. I am going to show you how I went from this to a beautiful upgraded office that looks like this. So if you guys are interested in knowing and watching all of my hard work on getting this home office redid, please continue watching. And also thank you guys very much because we just crossed over 15,000 subscribers. Keep up the support, guys, and soon we will be able to hang up one of our own YouTube play buttons. So without further ado, let's get inside of the video. Here, guys, we are in day one, preparing to start taking everything down. Okay, guys, we are in day two. We just ripped off the carpet, all the carpet moldings. Scarlett just broke that. Second step is to clean all this up. We're gonna mop this out and then paint. Scarlett is having fun. She is a big help. I'm just gonna have her step out of the room. That way I could go ahead and clean this properly and we will begin. These are the tiles that we are going to be using here. They are like a marble tile. So this is the first time I'm doing this, and I'll tell you one thing. It's probably the last time. This stuff is not easy.
And we're never doing this ever again.
I agree with Scarlett.
Guys, update 3. My father, he is actually cleaning up these. And Daniel, he is working. We did all these. There's actually no more. And we're never doing this ever again.
We are preparing to do our baseboards. We have to give this one more coat. The paint's not sticking, so we gave it a light coat and then we're gonna give it a dry coat. We have to paint some more of those. But we're getting ready to do our bases. Scarlett's having fun. So keep you guys updated. Okay, everyone, here's a wide view. The room is now painted. All of the floors are cleaned. I am going to switch to regular view to show you guys this one at a wide angle first. Okay, as you guys could see, the doors, trimming, everything is painted. We had this little fan that helped us a lot to dry up the paint a lot quicker. And now the next step is going to be the flooring. This is the first time that I'm attempting to do floors, and I gotta be honest, I'm scared. But I did pick up some of these trims to help me on these 3 doors. You got one there, and one there. So, I don't have my tripod or anything to help me record to show you guys the process. But in the next clip, I'll show you guys what we will be doing. From all of the videos that I've been watching here on YouTube, everyone says to start in the middle. So I believe this right here is the middle of the room. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna have a line right from here. And then this should be also the middle to do across. Okay, while I was thinking, I want to get the fish tank back in the spot that it was. So I'm going to start off from here first. Okay guys, and here is the final transition of the office. The tile was extremely extremely hard to do. But I'll get on the light and show you guys. As you guys could see, after painting and getting the tile, we got it finished. I have to be, it's Sunday night and I have to be in here early tomorrow morning, so I just set it up, but we're gonna have more pictures. We're gonna have the tank redone. I have to actually add some wood on the inside of that while I have that, because we are having a problem with the stand. As you guys can see, it buckled, but I'm gonna be adding some reinforcements there because I can't get a stand just yet. We're gonna get our curtains up. We did actually redo this here and also here. I'm not done with it. I did actually refinish all of the knobs myself. I wanted to add a antique to them, which I did. But I think it's coming along. We're still not done. We still got to get our curtains up. We got to get some more pictures here up on the wall. And get it prepared. Okay guys, so for the desk, what I'm doing is I'm adding this stuff that I got from Dollar Tree that will match our floors. I got 4 rolls. You could see them, they're here. But it's coming out pretty decent. You just do need some kind of card. I have a business card that I'm going to be using. There is some seams that I have to fix, but I'm going to do that at the end. And then of course, you know, get those little bubbles popped. But so far so good. I'll show you guys how it looks like